Chapter 17, Effects of Light. Hello students, have you ever wondered how we are able to see the world around us? How does a mirror show your reflection? Or how do shadows form when you stand in sunlight? All of this happens because of a wonderful thing, light. In this chapter, we learn how light travels, how it forms shadows, how it reflects, and how it helps in making images. Let's begin our journey into the amazing world of light. How light travels. Light travels in a straight line. That is why, when you shine a torch in a dark room, the beam goes straight ahead. You can observe this using three cardboards with holes. If the holes are aligned, the light passes through. If not, it doesn't. This proves light doesn't bend on its own. Formation of shadows. When an object blocks the path of light, a shadow is formed on the opposite side. The shadow depends on the shape of the object, the distance from the light source. There are three types of materials based on how they interact with light. Opaque blocks all light and forms dark shadows, like wood. Translucent lets some light pass, forming faint shadows, like frosted glass. Transparent let all light pass, so no shadow is formed, like clear glass. So, next time you see your shadow, remember light is just being blocked by your body. Reflection of light. When light hits a smooth and shiny surface, like a mirror, it bounces back. This is called reflection. There are two important angles to remember: angle of incidence, where the light hits the mirror; angle of reflection, where it bounces off. These two angles are always equal. Thanks to reflection, we can see ourselves in mirrors, use rear view mirrors in vehicles, look around corners using periscopes. Formation of images. Mirrors not only reflect light, they help us see images. A plain mirror forms an image that is same size, upright, appears to be behind the mirror, has left and right reversed. This is called lateral inversion. That is why your name looks flipped when you see it on an ambulance. Use of mirrors and reflection. Reflection of light is used in many ways. Mirrors in bathrooms, periscopes to see in hidden areas, reflectors in torches, headlights, and solar cookers, rear view mirrors in bikes and cars. By placing mirrors at the right angles, we can direct light wherever we need. Light and safety. Light also helps us stay safe, especially at night. Street lights help us see the road. Traffic signals use light to guide vehicles. Reflective stickers on school bags or signboards shine when headlights hit them. So remember, light is not just for seeing, it is also for safety. Conclusion. Let's revise what we have learned today. Light travels in a straight line. Shadows are formed when something blocks light. Reflection happens when light bounces off smooth surfaces. Images in mirrors are virtual, upright, and laterally inverted. We use light for many practical and safety purposes. So, next time you look into a mirror or see a shadow, smile. You're witnessing the magic of light in action.